We're at the back again today. Chris has a day off work and we are attempting to get some fencing done. We did a little bit up by the barn on some stuff earlier today, and now we're had lunch and it's time to focus. Anyways, we'll take you on a little tour and show you what we get done as we go. But fingers crossed, we are hoping to get most of it up today. Maybe a little bit more work on some channel and planning for the next stage. But anyways, I better get over to the wire and do my part. So we needed another roll of wire to finish this pen off. So Chris has got the tractor into our wire stash, and we've ratchet strapped her on the bucket. Boy, the tractor is so helpful with this, because moving these 330-foot rolls, they're heavy. Unfortunately, we are finding we're going through our stash of wire a lot quicker than we would have liked. It's going to take miles and miles of fencing. Okay, maybe not miles and miles, but it's still going to take a lot. I know I say this every time we're out here, but I really have to do some apple picking. Look at those ones on there. So Chris is getting ready. We're going to pull our wire tight. It's getting the T-post in. This is our method. Not sure whether it's the right method or best method, but it's been working so far for us. We've got some sort of strap thing, came with the property, that we've been using. So far we haven't killed ourselves. I guess that's as good as she's getting.
So it is pretty much the end of the day on Monday, or late afternoon, and I'm standing at what will eventually become the gate opening to Pasture 1, and we have some really good news. We are, can't see any of it from here, but the fence is all up. Yes, we basically are completely enclosed all the way around. So we do have to walk down the inside here, but we do have to do a little bit of attaching some of the T-posts, a little bit of tightening, and we've got one little piece we just got to cut the end off of what we just tightened here, but basically we are continuing to slowly move forward on this pasture fence, but yeah, I'm going to kind of cut through the pasture now. As you can see, there's quite a bit out here that should keep our sheep relatively happy for a week or two.